How to cancel orders on Shopee. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your orders on Shopee. So for that, just open the Shopee website on shopee.com, and after that, in order to cancel your order on Shopee, you need to purchase some item and you have to be very quick to cancel the order because when the order is shipped you won't be able to cancel it. So for example, you have purchased something from Shopee. So just go to the profile icon at the top right corner and just click on my account. And from there, from the left hand side menu, just go to my purchases and click on it. And there you will see the transaction history and all your orders history that you have purchased on Shopee. And there you will see the menu on the top right side. And there you will also see the option to cancel the order. So you just have to click on cancel and your order will be cancelled right away. So yeah, that is how you will be able to cancel your order on Shopee. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.